Welcome back to another Modisoft back office video. My name is Jonathan, and today we're going to be going over the cashier page for your employees in Modisoft. So whenever you log into your account, you'll notice that the first landing page that you see here is the cashier page. So the purpose of this page as an employer is that you can assign all of your employees specific access to what their jobs are in the Modisoft back office. So if, for example, that you want them to input all the numbers in from your purchases, your lottery sales, your fuel entries, etc., then you can actually customize this cashier page so that whenever your employees log in, that this is the specific access that they are going to have and whenever they're entering the numbers in for all the daily activities that they do. So you'll notice that right now on this demo account, on the cashier page, we pretty much have every type of account that an employee or a cashier would be entering data for all the daily activities at a location. Now, as I stated earlier, this is completely customizable. So if there are certain sections here that you do not want your employees to do, or maybe you as a business, you don't have certain um, or maybe you as a business, for example, do not sell fuel, you do not do lottery, etc., then you can actually remove these cashier duties from this page. Now, everything here that you see is customized in the chart of accounts. So when you go to the chart of accounts, you will be able to remove and add any accounts as necessary for this cashier page for your employees. So in order to go to the chart of accounts so that we can customize this, you would go into the setup, settings, and then you will see a chart of accounts. Once the page opens, you will go to the All tab, and there you will see all the chart of accounts that are at your location. Now, let's say you want your employees to be responsible for entering any bill pays, money orders, etc., on top of the lottery that they're going to be entering and the fuel records that they're going to be entering through the day, and you want them to be entering those numbers. You can actually search for those accounts. So, for example, like money order, click where it says Show on Cashier Daily Paperwork to turn it on for the money order and any money order fees that you collect for those money orders. Then you can go in here as well for bill pay and do the same thing. You open up the account, show that on the daily cashier paperwork for bill pay and bill pay fee if it is applicable for your location. Now, when you go back to your cashier page, you'll notice that before we did any of these work, that you did not have access to bill pay or money order. But once you refresh the page, you are going to notice now at the bottom here under your services that now your cashier does have the capabilities to enter values for the money orders, fees, bill pay, and bill pay fees, etc. So you are able to add and remove anything that your cashiers will be accessing so that they don't have to do anything else in the back office. Their only responsibility is every day go to the cashier page and just make sure that they do everything that they're required of them as an employee. The great thing about the cashier page is that your cashiers do not have to go to different pages. Anytime they just need to do anything, such as entering the deposits or the jobber fees or just entering purchases, etc., that have come in, is they can actually just click on each individual section in the cashier page, and then they're able to just enter the values here instead of having to go to different pages in the website. In order to enter a deposit, you would actually have to go into sales, daily entries, and you would select a date, and then you'd have to go here and edit the deposit pencil in order to enter the values of what you are trying to input for your store. So the cashier page takes all that hassle of all those multiple clicks that you just saw me do, and all you have to do as a cashier is just click on deposit. It opens up that page, and then your employees can just enter the deposit that you had for that day. And for anything that they have on this page, all they have to do is just go in there and it goes directly to those pages so that they don't have to try to find the pages on the website. They just click the button, enter values, save it, and then they're good to go. And then you as an owner, whenever you are checking over the paperwork and going to those pages, you can just verify that they are not over and short as well. We hope that you found this guide useful in better understanding your Modisoft back office. Please like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell so that you will always be up to date on your Modisoft back office. Thank you and have a wonderful day.